Well, I mean, my brother John started buying me trains when I was about 7 or 8 years old. And it's just went from there on a 4x6 sheet of plywood to this right here right now. And there's, I can't tell you how many 100 feet of track here and stuff.
Wow. So your brother got you started when you were about 7, and now you've been working on this and collecting.
Yeah. Got, of course, worked for him for 43 years.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. So our whole family worked for the railroad. My dad and my brothers, uncle, 2 uncles, and a cousin have all worked for the railroad.
Oh. Can you start it for me?
Yeah. Let's see what I got out. Let me see. Got everything put up. I'm gonna walk down through there.
Okay. Oh, the time, the tedious work, the love. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my.
Yeah, this is the heartbeat here.
This is the heartbeat.
Yeah, this is where everything operates from. Everything starts and stops right here.
Wow.
This one was the next one I was going to run out. It's a tanker train.
Okay. All right.
But I got to go down here.
Okay. Oh, my goodness.
Where I'm at.
So how many tracks are there?
Over here, there's 3, 6, 9. There's like 12 tracks all in this right here.
Okay.
This represents 2 railroads. The L&N, CSX, are the back 2. And then Norfolk Southern is all of these right here. And the tunnel behind you, they go into the tunnel.
Okay.
That is Lookout Mountain.
Okay. Wow. Wow. Railroad Avenue.
This is probably going
Wayne, did you like build and make some of this or buy most of it or?
all of the train cars I've bought. I've not built any of the train cars.
Yeah. I'm getting behind the scenes. Oh, I see the tunnel now.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's Lookout Mountain if you were in Chattanooga.
okay.
Before you come down, like this would be, this side over here would be where the Tennessee River is.
Okay.
So,
So is it a kind of an accurate or to scale?
well, it's not, well, it's my rendition of it.
Okay.
I mean, this is, I've worked over this a whole bunch, this right here. So this is pretty much this is Lookout Creek that runs straight into the Tennessee River.
Okay.
And my line that I worked on crossed the Lookout Creek 8 or 9 times between Chattanooga and Valley Head.
Okay.
So I know a lot about it.
Yes.
But this is anything from here on. From here on is a line that we were Norfolk Southern or Southern Rail at the time was gonna build, and they started it, and then the depression kind of hit, and they quit and took it up. So I'm freelancing what that line could have been.
Okay. Wow. Thank you for making me letting me make this video so educational.
Here's my switch panel for this area right here.
Okay.
So right now, this one's lined for this side over here, indicating red
Okay.
for the turnout side. This one's green because it goes down this line, and the green would be going straight.
Okay.
If I switched it to red, actually worked. See, it just switches itself back. And then this one here is red, and I don't want that train to go on this track. I want it to go on this track.
Okay.
So I just throw the switch, and it turns to green, and that means the switch is lined up for the train.
Okay. I've heard that, throw the switch.
Mm-hmm. Now I'll bring that one up this way, hopefully.
Okay. Oh my goodness. So is this another set of...
Yeah, this is the controllers. This is the controllers for all of this side of the board.
Okay.
And here comes the train. Nope, there went the train. I had gone the wrong way. What happened? Man, it's supposed for you. Hang on, I gotta fix something.
Okay. There's so much to see. Take your time. Is it going to start from over there, Wayne?
Yeah, it's gonna start on this side and come around this way.
Okay. Well, wait a minute. Let me get over there so I can see it.
Let me make sure I gotta go in the right direction. Yeah, but it's on the ground.
Oh, right there's pretty too. Oh, that's gorgeous.
That was my daddy's.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Jared had it for a while, and then now it's ended up down here in the train barn.
Oh, fabulous. Okay, is this it?
Yeah, hang on.
All right, let me get in front of it, or I may have to follow it.
Okay. Yeah, I got to put the rest of it together here.
Oh, that's a long train. You have to...
Now let me try.
Okay.
Reach over your shoulder.
Oh, okay.
I've got a couple places that I've lost contact.
Okay.
And now you can follow it.
Okay. Oh no, is this a train wreck?
Yeah, you're seeing the train wreck.
Oh dear.
Where's the rest of it at? Oh, Lord have mercy.
What happened?
Well, one part of it come uncoupled again.
Okay. Uncoupled.
Never fails when we're short, somebody's stuff starts happening.
Yes, but what an educational video. This may help a lot of people.
And let's see.
So did it jump the track over there?
Yeah, let's see what's going on.
So if there's any lint or a little fly or anything on the
A bug.
a bug, okay, that could slow things down.
Uh-huh. Little stink bugs.
Oh yeah.
They'll get in here and I have to run over a few of them.
Oh, those wheels and the track.
Train's going through my fictitious Tiftonia, Tennessee right now.
Okay. Oh, I like the church.
Stopping again.
Okay. If I get real close, it looks big and sky level and the sky and the very, very good. So, Wayne, is this peaceful and therapy for you to work on?
Yeah, I do. It is. I mean, it can be aggravating. I get aggravated at it quite a bit because of stuff like this right here.
Right.
But it's a lot of fun. And if you got a few people to run with you, it's a lot more fun. And that's one reason I needed to join the club. Running on the ground again.
You heard it.
Yeah, I know what it sounds like.
Okay.
These are not. People see my engines, they say I don't take very good care of them.
What do you mean?
Well, like some of the parts are missing on them.
Oh.
Somebody knows what they're looking at. They're, oh my gosh, that's tore up.
So, but some of these are many years old, aren't they?
They're all pretty much, yeah, they're all quite a few years old. Some of the stuff is pretty new.
Oh, I even see cargo. Oh, and the caboose. Oh, I love it. You know, we still have the train go by in Ivoli.
Yeah.
I love the sound of the train.
Yeah. So they're going by, I believe, more now that Tyson out there is getting more cars. They're getting more cars. And so, all right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this train right here, that one down there, and then we'll move that one.
Oh, my. Okay.
So, let's see.
Good engineer.
2, 3. That one there will be the one to move over there first.
Okay. Oh, I like that caboose too. Uh-oh.
Come right back around here, Miss D.
Okay.
We'll just turn that one off,
Okay.
and we'll turn that one down there on.